FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I think this wave 3 scenario is definitely playing out as planned. It's the monthly time frame, so it's going to take a very long time. I think this is a wave A over here. I think this is an A, B, C, a B, and I think this is a 1, 2, and I think we're going to go up for a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, most likely taking out these previous highs. I think the 161, 178 area is the most likely target for this move up. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is the wave 1. I think this is a big running flat. Wave 2 ending right here. That would make this right here a wave 1 of wave 3. This would be a WXY wave 2 of wave 3. And I do believe these higher time frames are already in the wave 3 of that expanding flat that I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, we definitely got to break a structure on like the 4 hour to daily time frame to the upside. So I'm definitely looking for longs right now. There is a chance this move up right here could be a crutch to this move down because the move down is very impulsive. But I think there's a better chance that it's gonna just keep on making higher highs, higher lows from here. Especially looking at the weekly, monthly time frame trend that I expect to keep on going. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is clearly all one trend right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we're in a wave 5 right now. I would definitely say that this is either a wave A or a wave 1. So, I mean, definitely keep an eye out for your Fibonacci levels. I think it's going to bounce from Fib levels, but I think it's likely it will just keep on making those higher highs, higher lows. So for now, I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Looking at other dollar pairs, I'm not really convinced that this correction is over. I mean, it did make 3 waves down, but I don't really think it's over. I think it's more likely it is probably going to go down again, maybe at least to the 50, maybe even to 61.8 before we actually do continue the uptrend. I think there's probably a wave A ending here. We're probably actually in a wave B now, and then we'll probably go down for a wave C before we actually do continue the uptrend. Now, sometimes what we think is a wave B just keeps on trending up, so definitely be careful with that. Definitely be aware of that. But I think it's likely it's going to make a bigger, probably more drawn out correction, probably to a lower Fibonacci level before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.